Are you ready to ditch the dial tone and skyrocket your customer engagement? Today, we're diving deep into the power of Messagebird WhatsApp, showing you how to connect with your customers on their favorite platform. First, you'll need to integrate the Messagebird API into your business systems. Luckily, Messagebird provides extensive documentation and libraries for various programming languages. To streamline the process, head over to the Messagebird website at messagebird.com to sign up or log in. Next, let's talk message templates. WhatsApp requires pre-approved templates for outbound notifications to ensure quality and prevent spam within the Messagebird dashboard. Create templates for common scenarios like order updates, shipping notifications, or appointment reminders. Now, let's maximize your engagement. Use Messagebird's segmentation tools to target specific customer groups. For example, send a special offer to customers who haven't made a purchase in the last month. Don't forget to track your results. Messagebird provides detailed analytics on message delivery, open rates, and customer responses. Use this data to optimize your campaigns and improve your customer interactions. Follow these best practices, and you'll be well on your way to creating meaningful connections with your customers through WhatsApp. Like and subscribe to learn more marketing and customer support hacks.